In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to find the volume and surface area of a cone. Now, just like all the other formulas, for a cone, you'll be given these formulas in your logbooks. So you have the volume formula, and then you're given the curved surface area formula. You're not given the total surface area formula. So for the following question, we need to find the volume of the cone below to one decimal place using the pi button on the calculator. So we're given the vertical height and we're given the radius. We don't need the length then, so that slant height, we only need that for surface area. So let's write out the formula. So volume equals a third pi times radius squared times height. So we have a third times pi times 6 squared times 15, and that would equal then 180 pi, then to one decimal place, so we have 565.48, which will equal 565.5, and then its volume, so it'll be centimeters cubed. Okay, let's have a look at another one. Now in this question, we can't do it straight away because we're given the radius and then we're given the length, okay? That's slant height of 13. So we need to calculate the height. And we can see there we have a right angle triangle. So if we have a right angle triangle, we can use Pythagoras' theorem. So our height here, and we can see the hypotenuse will be 13. So that means h squared plus 5 squared is equal to 13 squared. So that means h squared is equal to 13 squared minus 5 squared. So h squared equals 169 minus 25. So h squared equals 144. So that means the height is the square root of 144. So our height is 12. So now we have all the information we need. So we have our radius and we have our height. So let's put those into the formula. So a third times pi times 5 squared times a height then of 12. And this then will be equal to 100 pi, which will then be equal to 314.2 centimeters cubed. Okay, so let's have a look at surface area. And for surface area, you just need the radius and the length. And in this question, we have neither. But we do have a diameter of 12, and we know half a diameter is the radius, so that means a radius will be 6. Now we need that length here, and again we have a right angle triangle, and so we're looking for L, which is the hypotenuse in this question. So L squared is equal to 8 squared plus 6 squared. So L squared is equal to, so 8 squared plus 6 squared will be 100. So L equals square root of 100. So L equals 10. So now for the area, pi times radius times length. So pi times 6 times 10, and that is equal to 60 pi. Now, that just gives us the curved surface area, and we're being asked for the total surface area. So what we also need to do, we need to get the area of this circle at the bottom. And we know our formula for a circle, which is pi times radius squared. And we have a radius of 6, so it'll be pi times 6 squared, which is 36 pi. So 36 pi is the circle, 60 pi is the curved surface area. So let's add them together. So 60 pi plus 36 pi, and that is 96 pi. And then to one decimal place, this will be 301.6 centimeters squared. Remember, it's area here, so it's going to be centimeters squared. Okay, and that's it.